What's up, guys? This is Will and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at some skins that I picked up for my product red iPhone 8 Plus. Now one of the main reasons I bought this device is because of the color. So I hate to cover it up, but I'm getting a lot of little scratches on the back of it, and I'm the type of person that like to have my devices in pristine condition all the time. So to kind of stop those scratches from going any farther, I'd rather put a skin on it. Now I did think about putting a tempered glass on the back of it, but I was kind of worried about it working with some of the cases that I have for it. So end up picking up these skins here. I got them off of Amazon Prime. These are the ICarez carbon fiber back skin screen protector for the iPhone 8 Plus. Now this is a 3-pack, the highest quality, no bubble, easy installation with lifetime replacement warranty. So I picked these up for $5.85. I'll leave that link in the description if you want to pick them up. But let's get into it and see what we got here. Like I said, I hate to cover up this device, but I'd rather that than to keep getting it all scratched up and everything. So here's the packaging that it comes in. I've used the ICarez products before, so let's get into it and see what we got here. That's a pull tab right here. Get this open. All right, stop, read through our instructions before installation. All right, so pretty good presentation here. All right, so you get three of them in the pack. Not sure what this is. That's probably why they're saying read the installation instructions there. But you get that in the pack, and you get, if I can get this out of here, guys, ICarez Classic Series. And this is the installation guide. You get a microfiber cleaning cloth here. You get some dust removals, positioning stickers, and then you get some dust removal system right here as well. So you get your instructions and all of that stuff, which nobody reads anyway, but they put them in there. And then you get your carbon fibers here. Look like you're going to get a couple of different, three different colors. You get like a gold color here, which is nice looking. I like that. You get a black one, which is the one I'm probably going to use. And you also get a silver or a white one right here. But I'm going to use the black one. I'm going to try to do this, make it black and red. See how that looks. And so we'll speed this up and check it out. Alright guys, so this is the finished product right here. As you can see, came out pretty good. Very easy to install. The cutouts around the camera, flash, and microphone are pretty precise. Does change the look of the device quite a bit. But to me, it definitely looks unique with the black front on it, on the front of it, and now the red back. I mean, the back is black right there, and you can still see your red frame going around the outside of it. So this is a good look for me. So that's how it came out, guys. I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. We'll leave that link in the description. We'll catch y'all in the next video.